In this video, I'm gonna perform a Wi-Fi speed test on a Nothing Phone 4a. So let's give it a go. I also performed a similar test on my computer just to see what is the difference. And over here, as you can see, I managed to reach almost 470 megabits per second. There we go, it says 451 megabits per second. And comparing to my computer, it is twice as slow, so it's a half speed of what I get on my computer. On my PC, I managed to get 937 megabits per second, but it's still pretty solid regardless. And there we go. I actually got a high score apparently, but yeah, this is how it looks like. The upload speed in my case on my Wi-Fi is actually very, very slow. So of course, the real upload speed can be much, much faster. On my computer, I have 86 megabits per second. Here it's 65. So slightly slower, but it's pretty close, and I don't think it should be taken into consideration. But the download speed is, well, it's pretty decent in this case. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.